Well, howdy there, folks. Today we're taking a look at the RayNeo. These are the RayNeo S3 Pro XR glasses. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. These kind of remind me a little bit of the Meta Quest, 2. I have a bunch of those, and except for they're way smaller, way more comfortable, and way easier to use in certain ways. They don't do as much as far as VR or gaming in a way, but they are pretty sweet. You can connect these to a phone, computer, a gaming system, you name it. These are pretty cool. And they kind of work as sunglasses as well. Now, you can see through them just a little bit, more so through the bottom. So you can tell, like, if somebody's standing there, you're gonna be able to talk to them while leaving them on as like a sunglasses. They have a display that projects on the lens right here, and I gotta say, it's actually really clear. You got speakers up here, volume adjustment, brightness adjustment, and one other button for some functionality. Now, you can connect this to pretty much any you can connect it USB-C to HDMI, but it comes with this USB-C cord that plugs right in here. Now, the glasses turn on when you plug this in. You do want to download the application so that you can run this. And essentially what you're gonna see is your screen, okay? You're gonna see any apps from, like, you can run Amazon Music, Amazon Videos, watch movies, you name it. And it's like, if you tilt your phone sideways too, it's gonna change the aspect ratio. And so you got this massive, like, immersive screen, great quality audio. So it's really cool. You can't really see how cool it is because you're not wearing the glasses, but it's pretty sweet. Now, some of the adjustments you can do right in the glasses, like you can swipe through you can use your phone and you can move it around as your cursor, tap, and that's how you can access like videos, photos, and stuff like that. You can even send them right from there. Now, if you want to connect it to like a gaming device, the same thing. Different interfaces will act slightly different than others, but like I can easily look through the bottom of these glasses or just below them to see what I want to look at here. So I can listen or whatever. We're just gonna go to here and here, okay? Now I got this massive screen. I turn the phone sideways, boom. It's like I'm in a movie theater. I can adjust the volume as well on my device and I'll adjust it in the speakers. I mean, this thing is awesome and actually extremely clear. If I was going to complain at all, it might be that on like certain devices, certain settings, it might not be quite loud enough as I would like. Well, actually, you know what? Hold on a second. I can increase the volume quite a bit here. Yeah. So actually, they are loud enough. It's like wearing a screen. It's pretty sweet. Now, if you connect this to like a laptop, you can use this as your cursor, and you can, you could use Microsoft programs and access your desktop through this and use the cursor, your phone as the cursor. There's a bunch of different devices you can connect to this. You can actually connect a device to this and access like essentially thousands of movies and so on a little bit easier, but this is pretty sweet. I actually really like them. Way lighter, way more user-friendly than the Oculus Meta Quest 1 and 2. Pretty cool.